The Wall Street Journal is saying the company plans to make its new Mac Pro in China, moving production away from the United States. Joining us now with a little bit more insight into Apple's strategy is Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, who joins us from San Francisco. Given everything we know about President Trump's desire to reshore rather than offshore, isn't this a very bold move by Mr. Cook?
You know, I don't think so. So this is something we reported on 3 years ago that they were planning on doing. The Mac Pro, just to give some context here, is Apple's most low-volume computer. They probably sell, I don't know, thousands of these a year, and compared to other devices where they're selling tens of millions a year. So just some context here. The previous version was manufactured in Texas, and they had several production issues. They had people on the line quitting. They had problems getting the design out in quantity. There were many delays, and they really had no other choice. If they're going to ship this new version, they need to do what they do with every other product and manufacture it in China. So this is really not a surprise. I just think the interesting thing here is the timing, the undertone here that we have with this impending trade war between the U.S. and China. But otherwise, it's business as usual for Apple, I think.
Okay, but why China? Why not Taiwan? Why not somewhere else in Asia? It doesn't have to be China.
Well, it sort of does have to be China, because right now that's where Apple's infrastructure is. That's where they produce things. That's where their suppliers are. They're not going to reshape and move their entire supply chain for one product. They're going to put it on their existing Mac lines where they're manufacturing these products anyways. In terms of the life cycle, the amount of time it takes for Apple to bring up these products, they've been producing prototypes of this machine for years, well in advance of Donald Trump even becoming president, or well in advance of this trade war even happening. So it's basically something that has been in the works probably for 4 years now anyways, and they're just continuing the plan they already had in place.